Welcome to Caribe, South Walton County's preeminent and private Gulfront neighborhood, and one of my personal favorites. Inspired by the Caribbean, this quiet, guard-gated neighborhood features tree-lined streets, breezy porches, and architectural whimsy. With 2 community pools and a private tennis court, there's plenty of fun even off the beach. Located less than 1 mile from shopping and dining at Grand Boulevard, Caribe's location is perfect. But all roads do lead to Caribe's over 400 feet of snow-white private beaches. Shared equally by Caribe's homeowners, you'll never find them crowded. I've been singing Caribe's praises for a long, long time and just happen to have sold more houses here than any other realtor. I'd love the great pleasure of helping you buy or sell Caribe.